everyone. My name is Denithran Nasibatta and I work for Gland International Company. What our company does is we do chemical blending, research and development. So we have two ranges of products, mainly two product ranges. For industrial range regarding the paint industry, print industry and laundries, and the domestic range for household day-to-day user. So how we started the business is 3 years back we entered the chemical business, and by doing research and development we realized there's a gap between what is available and what is required to the day-to-day customer. So building upon that, we launched the EcoLife brand with the purpose of giving eco-friendly formulated products to the day-to-day user. So we model our business with the E3 concept, which is to save ecology, build economy and empower lives. So while ticking all these boxes, we plan to do the EcoLife business development with the Gland International team. So when the pandemic came to China, we knew this is going to come to our country one day. So we had to be prepared, and we knew by the time this is going to come, all the key players in the market will be out of stock. So we have to get our strategies right to deliver the products at the right time to the market. So we divided ourselves into key teams for marketing, sales, production, handling customers. Likewise, we divided ourselves into teams and gave them proper responsibilities with a clear mindset to do their operations right. So while doing these operations efficiently, we were able to list our products to all the supermarkets in the country and do an exceptional customer service while delivering our goods to their doorstep, to the daily customer. So with that success, we were able to build upon it and launch the next range, going from sanitizers to laundry care products, surface care products, kitchen care products, auto care products and baby care products. So now with that success from the period, now we are launching the second phase from EcoLife. So talking about the success, I definitely have to talk about the team. So entire team, starting from the chairman to the lowest level worker, we all worked as a team, gave our 100%, working 24/7 starting from January. So especially I have to mention the chairman, Mr. Rohit Annasipatta, and the director, Dr. Ruwan Ranasinghe, who is our consultant chemist. These two people worked tirelessly and led the team from the front by example. So we, the entire team, followed them and properly carried out our tasks, working together as a team. So teamwork makes the dream work. So that is how we build the success of EcoLife. So if I am to share any advice or experience, I would like to say, always look for opportunities. Look for opportunities. Then when you see an opportunity, you have to grab that. Then you plan for what you want and you have to execute that. So remember this, no plan has a value until it is implemented. So make sure that you guys always keep looking for opportunities, and make sure that you have a plan and you have an execution plan as well. So with that in mind, all the university students, undergraduates and all these people, do projects, engage with people, do something new that will definitely help you to learn leadership skills, interpersonal skills, which are really important, essential if you are doing business or if you are trying to be an entrepreneur or even for your personal lives as well. So make sure that you use the time that you have to grow yourselves, try something new, then definitely it will reward you big time. Finally, let me thank Rotaract Slit for inviting us here to share our experiences and thoughts on the journey we had, and encourage the youth in Sri Lanka, especially the youth in Sri Lanka, to do certain things and engage in activities and contribute to the society while developing themselves. So thank you again for Rotaract, and let's hope we can do something in the future together. Thank you.